Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. I just come on here really quickly just to do a quick video just to show you some invitations that I came up with for my daughter's party. The theme is Hello Kitty and it is also skating. So I made some just like some little skate passes. I think these came out super cute. And it is on both sides. I used my laminator for this. Now, y'all, I could not figure out how to get it to print on both sides. So what I did was I just printed out the front, then I printed out the back. I cut it and I glued it, onto the paper, and then I just ran it straight through the laminator that way. But if you are interested in pretty much how I did these, the design, and how I got it to come out like this, y'all, this is super cute. Then stay tuned because I'm going to be doing a tutorial on it. I will see you guys soon. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm pretty much going to be showing you how I did these. These are skate passes. They are for my daughter's upcoming birthday party. Y'all, my mind was just like, I don't know. But anyways, okay. This is for my daughter's upcoming birthday party. The theme is it's a glow in the dark skate party, Hello Kitty. So this is what we came up with. I thought it was really cute. So to go ahead and get started. Oh yeah, I did it two sides. This is the front and that's the back. The back has, the directions and the place location and all that. But anywho, let's go ahead and get started with inserting the shape, which is of course the rectangle. And if you guys are on my Patreon page, then I'm going to be giving you some of these images as well. Okay, so let's get the measurements. I think I did I did these 2 by 2. Come on, let me get on it. Okay, 2 inches is the height, and the width is 5.2. And then, as you guys know, I of course had that thick black border and shape, fill, no fill. Now I already have my images up here that I already went on ahead and downloaded from Google. Let's take this image right here. This is of course the image that you see here, but as you can see, it does not fit. So what I did was shrunk it down. Let me put the little square thing back. Okay, now let me move that back. Send backwards. Alright. Now with the Hello Kitty image, I cropped this down to where this was not there anymore. And I just have the the black. Then I went on ahead and filled it up. Now I did make one of these sides longer than the other, because the other just has 2 sections, and this one has a barcode that I added. And then to get these right here, I just copied and pasted it, and then I went back to format, back to crop, and instead of taking it off, I added it in to where, as you can see, this is all that I'm left with. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna take this one because I already got this one down to the size that I need it to be. So there we go. Then I'm going to copy and paste this also over here on this side. Trying to do this really quickly. Alright. Now, where's my barcode at? Here is my barcode that I'm going to add. I'm trying to stay zoomed in, but I gotta zoom out just a little bit so I can see all my images. Okay. So let's bring that forward. And that has a lot of the white space, so I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna crop this down just a little bit to where those white spaces are not there so much. I know I'm being so particular. Alright, let's see how that is. Now that look a little bit too big. Can I get it 1.95? Is that possible? Yes. Alright, that looks good to me. Okay. Next, for the skates right here, what I actually did was I went online and used this silhouette that I got of a skate, because you guys know if you get silhouettes you can also change the colors of them. So I just simply went to format, recolor, let me get the color that I want, and as you can see it is now pink. And then I adjusted it a little bit, tilted it. I wanted to use that one over there, but y'all, that black was blending in right into the background, so I couldn't even use it. And then I'm going to copy that, paste it, except for now I'm going to change it to a different color. I'm going to change it to this blue, and then I'm also going to flip it and shrink it down. Put it like right there and send it back behind the pink one. Like that. And let me see. I'm trying to do this video really quickly. Let's add a line in here. I'm going to show you guys how I did the separation. Oh man, that looks a little crooked. Nope, that looked crooked. Okay, that's straight. And then I copied it and I did the same over here. Is it just me or did that look a little... Okay, it looks a little slanted. I'm not sure if it is, but it does look a little slanted. So, let's insert some text here. And I did this with narrow fonts. And then I think I set that to 1.9. And then let's turn it over, and we gotta of course flip it. That looks still a little too big. Alright, that looks good. And that's pretty much how I did all of that. Insert, let's go to words. What did I put on the front? Roll on over. Okay. Y'all, I had to think what I put on the front. Alright. Roll on over. And the font that I use, if you're interested, is After Night. And to fill that in, I actually used a picture that I had. And I used this picture right here. And then I outlined it, and I think that blue font right there.
Hi, Daddy.
That's my daughter. She's talking on the phone.
Hi, guys. Mommy, what did you do? Hi, Daddy.
And
I
that
didn't know
is
that
pretty
you
much
was
how
on
I
the
did that.
phone. I thought Mom just hung up on you for a minute.
Jesus. And then on the side, you're going to want to put the date. And then, of course, over here, you put the time. And then right here, you put the RSVP. But for that, as you can see, the text does look
Daddy,
a little
you need
different.
to get all these people like Mom.
The text does look a lot different. So for that one, I actually went to Insert and I went to Draw Text Box. And as you can see, when you text in it, it is a lot smaller and finer. So that is what I use for that. And then just like with the other text, I moved it sideways. Come on, I'm trying to move you. God dang it. All right, here we go. And that's pretty much all you do. But this can be anything. I think yeah, anything will pretty much look awesome. The tickets I think was a good idea. My daughter wanted to use it. She wanted to do it. So if you have any questions on that, please feel free to ask. And again, if you're on my Patreon page, I will put up the images that I used. So yeah, I will see you guys very soon. Bye.